close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself as a child, looking up at the night sky, your imagination soaring among the stars, dreaming of a world beyond our own. A world where space travel wasn't just a fantasy, but a possibility. Where those little toy rockets in your hand could one day become a vessel that takes you to the stars. The journey began over half a century ago, on July 20th, 1969, when Neil Armstrong took that historic first step on the moon. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
I'm going to step off the limb. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Oh, that looks beautiful from here, Neil.
Those words weren't just a triumph for one nation, but a symbol of what humanity could achieve when we dare to dream. It was a moment that united people across the globe, as we all looked up at the moon and thought, we did this. We reached beyond our world and touched another. For centuries, humans have been explorers at heart. We've sailed across oceans, crossed deserts, and climbed mountains, always driven by an insatiable curiosity to see what's beyond the horizon. Space is the final frontier, the ultimate expression of our desire to explore. It represents the vast unknown, the endless possibilities that lie beyond our atmosphere. The following decades saw incredible advancements. The Space Shuttle program, which ran from 1981 to 2011, made space travel more routine. With over 130 missions, the shuttle wasn't just a spacecraft, it was a symbol of human ingenuity, of our ability to build a reusable vehicle that could take us to space and back. It allowed us to build the International Space Station, a beacon of international cooperation, orbiting 250 miles above us. The ISS is more than just a scientific laboratory. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, transcending borders and differences in the pursuit of knowledge. But the dream of space travel was never just about science or technology. It's about our place in the universe. It's about understanding where we come from and where we're going. When we look up at the stars, we're reminded of how small we are, and yet, how capable we are of achieving greatness. Space exploration is a reflection of the best of humanity, the courage to take risks, the drive to push boundaries, and the belief that we can overcome any obstacle. Today, the space industry is undergoing a revolution. No longer is space travel solely the domain of nation-states. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have entered the arena, each with a unique vision for the future of space tourism. These companies are not just advancing technology, they are carrying the torch of human curiosity and ambition. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has been a game-changer. With the development of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon capsule, SpaceX became the first private company to send humans to the International Space Station in 2020, their long-term goal, making life multiplanetary, starting with Mars. SpaceX's vision is not just about exploration, it's about survival. It's about ensuring that humanity has a future, even if something were to happen to our home planet. Blue Origin, led by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, aims to make space accessible to everyone. Their New Shepard rocket, designed for suborbital flights, has already carried civilian astronauts on short journeys to the edge of space. These flights offer a few minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth, making space tourism a reality for those who can afford the ticket. But Blue Origin's vision goes beyond tourism. They envision a future where millions of people live and work in space, where humanity can expand and thrive beyond Earth. Virgin Galactic, spearheaded by Richard Branson, has taken a different approach. Their Spaceship Two vehicle, designed for space tourism, offers a luxurious experience where passengers can float in zero gravity and gaze at the curvature of the Earth, all while experiencing the thrill of spaceflight. Virgin Galactic's vision is to democratize space, making it accessible to more people, not just the wealthy elite. But what does it take to be a space tourist? Today, a seat on one of these flights can cost anywhere from $250,000 to $55 million, depending on the destination and duration. Virgin Galactic's suborbital flights are at the lower end, while a stay on the International Space Station, facilitated by companies like Axiom Space, is at the higher end. Yet, as technology advances and more players enter the field, these costs are expected to come down, making space tourism more accessible to the average person. Over the years, a few private individuals have already taken the leap. In 2001, American businessman Dennis Tito became the first space tourist, spending a week aboard the ISS after paying a hefty $20 million. More recently, in September 2021, the Inspiration 4 mission made history as the first all-civilian crew to orbit the Earth, raising millions for charity and inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts. These pioneers are not just tourists. They are trailblazers, showing us what is possible and paving the way for others to follow. But this is just the beginning. The future of space tourism is bright and ambitious. Imagine hotels orbiting the Earth, weekend getaways to the Moon, or even colonizing Mars. Companies like SpaceX, Orbital Assembly Corporation, and Space Adventures are already exploring these possibilities. The idea of spending a weekend on the Moon or taking a vacation to a space hotel might sound like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than ever before. SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently in development, aims to reduce the cost of space travel drastically, making these dreams a reality sooner than we might think. The first crewed missions to Mars could happen within the next decade, paving the way for humanity to become a multiplanetary species. Starship isn't just a spacecraft. It's a symbol of humanity's boundless potential, of our ability to reach for the stars and achieve the impossible. Imagine floating in zero gravity, looking out at the curvature of the Earth, watching as the sun rises and sets in mere minutes. This is not a distant dream anymore. It's becoming a reality that we can experience in our lifetimes. The experience of seeing Earth from space is often described as life-changing, a profound shift in perspective that makes us see our planet and ourselves in a new light. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we're reminded of the dreams we had as children. Those dreams are what propelled us to this point, and they will continue to guide us as we reach for the stars. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. We are a species of explorers, of dreamers, and our journey into space is a testament to our enduring spirit. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all humanity. So, where will your dreams take you? The universe is vast, and the journey has only just begun. Welcome to the future of space tourism, a future where the impossible becomes possible, where the dreams of yesterday become the reality of tomorrow. This is not just the story of space exploration. It's the story of us, of who we are and who we aspire to be.